Bro, if confidence had wings, this bird would be illegal. This is the bald eagle, and no, it doesn't fly, it shows up. Look at that stare. That's not curiosity, that's judgment. Up there in the sky, this bird isn't sightseeing, it's checking who's next. That wingspan? Yeah, that's not for balance, that's for intimidation. Eagles don't panic. They just wait, like a villain with a plan. And when it finally moves? No warning. No announcement. Just commitment. Those claws? Basically flying can openers. Other birds see this guy and immediately remember, they left the stove on. Silent. Calm. Dangerous. The sky's final boss. Follow if you respect animals that don't need to prove anything.